Welcome. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to change the language on your Telegram app. Whether you're switching to a language you're more comfortable with or just exploring the options, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once it's launched, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. This is the menu icon. Tap on it to open the main menu. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to a screen with various options to customize your Telegram experience. Scroll down until you find the Language option and tap on it. Now, you'll see a list of available languages. Browse through the list and choose your preferred language by simply tapping on it. Once selected, Telegram will instantly update its interface to reflect your chosen language. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language on your Telegram app. This feature allows you to personalize your messaging experience, making it more intuitive and enjoyable. Thank you for tuning in. Enjoy using Telegram in the language that suits you best, and don't forget to explore other customization options in the app for an even better experience. Happy chatting!